Yo, Joe D, you cooking up a new track?
Yeah, dog, it's for this year's Christmas song.
This is the new Christmas song? It doesn't even have jingle bells.
You're right, but how about this?
Aw, yeah, I like that. It's solo, but it's there like a hi-hat.
That's cool, right, but where them Christmas words at?
Relax, I know just what to do. I am the LORDOFTHEBELLSRING, another ING. Tintinabulating with tiny, timid Angie. And you know I'm always going hand-wise, Ganji.
Dude's cool, but is he really needed though? We already have Santa. Is the Lord someone we need to know?
Santa has his gifts for bells, mark the season. It's why we need the Lord.
I mean, I guess.
Ringing, ringing, Christmas bells are ringing, ringing, ringing. Jingle bells are ringing, ringing, ringing. Silver bells are ringing, you know it's time to bring it. Lord of the bells ringing, ringing, ringing. Christmas bells are ringing, ringing, ringing. Jingle bells are ringing, ringing, ringing. Silver bells are ringing, you know it's time to bring it. Lord of the bells ringing. Alright, now let the full Neal into this.
Hello?
Dr. D, what you got for us?
Hey, I've been working on a new lick. I think you'll like it.
Yo, let's hear it.
Not feeling it.
Me neither. Besides, it's time to give thanks to the Lord.
Who?
Of the bell. It's true, true. My bells are known to make all the women glow. It's true, true. The boys go crazy when I ring them slow. It's true, true, true.
Neal, come on! Stop it!
It's cool, bro. This Lord, he is forgiven. Long as it's before New Year's and after Thanksgiving.
It's no big deal. I can come up with something else.
We can keep it low, so we're including him while I keep on ringing, ringing. Christmas bells are ringing, ringing, ringing. Jingle bells are ringing, ringing, ringing. Silver bells are ringing, you know it's time to bring it. Lord of the bells ringing, ringing, ringing. Christmas bells are ringing, ringing, ringing. Jingle bells are ringing, ringing, ringing. Silver bells are ringing, you know it's time to bring it. Lord of the bells ringing, ringing for togetherness. For being kind of generous to my sisters and my brothers. Let's all bring it for me.